perpendicular distance of a given point from a given straight line when the question is in the vector form. Okay, so now we are going to solve, we are going to find the perpendicular distance PL. Coordinates of P are given to us, given point is point P, and equation of a line AB in the vector form is given to us. Now before writing the steps, let's write it some introduction part. Now let P vector alpha, P is a given point, be a given point, and vector R is equal to vector A plus lambda vector B be a vector equation of a given line. One thing. Now what about L? Now let L be a point, let L be a, now where it is L? L. Let L be the foot of a perpendicular, the foot of a perpendicular from point P to line L, to line AB, sorry, A plus lambda B. Now step 1. Now first step is write the position vector step number 1 is we have to write the position vector. Now write the position vector of a journal point on given line. Now how we can write this one? Now what concept we have to remember, we have to keep it in the mind. It is, now since vector R is equal to A plus lambda B, vector R is equal to vector A plus lambda vector B. Now this is denotes the equation, sorry, denotes the, not equation, denotes the position vector, denotes the position vector of any point on the line R is equal to vector A plus lambda vector B. Now since vector R is equal to A plus lambda B denotes the position vector of any point on the line, and this is the vector equation of a line, so the position vector of L, now point L is already on the line AB, so vector position of L will be also vector A plus lambda vector B. Is it clear? So this is step 2. Now step 3, sorry, step 2. This was step 1. Now step 2. Obtain the value for vector PL from P to L. Obtain the value of vector PL. How we are going to do it? This will be position vector of L minus position vector of P, and this can be further written as vector A plus lambda vector B minus vector alpha. Now step 3, since vector PL is perpendicular to the line, is perpendicular to the line, since vector PL is perpendicular to the line which is parallel to vector B, therefore, now what we can do it, therefore we can write it vector PL dot vector B is equal to 0. Now this means what? A plus vector A, sorry, plus lambda vector B minus vector alpha dot vector B is equal to 0. Step 4. Step 4 is solve step 3 and obtain the value of lambda. Step 5, put value of lambda in step 4 in vector R is equal to vector A plus lambda vector B and obtain position vector of L. Step 6, find magnitude of vector PL. Magnitude of vector PL is the required perpendicular distance. So like these are the steps.